Oh, you just a cookieologist now, huh?
I'm a beast.
Hey, 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 hey. My family, when I told them that we were doing the business together, they weren't. We're on our way to Kroger to get the ingredients that I don't have. It's only like 2 ingredients. We're gonna make these peppermint white chocolate cookies. They look so good. We just need to make 1 batch. It's just us.
I said, let's go crazy.
All right, let's do this. And we started the business about 7 months ago. 7 months ago. And we're kind of in a little flow of how we operate things. What do we need?
You want to?
Yeah. I guess I would call myself like lead creative. And then Cameron, what would you call yourself?
I'm just the guy behind the scenes.
Babe.
Cameron, technical stuff.
Yeah, he's good at keeping the structure and the organization going. I decided to make 2 types of cookies. This like hot chocolate cookie and then the white chocolate peppermint cookie. So we gonna see which one is the best.
He about to fall out, boy.
And we hungry, so we about to smash these cookies.
Yes.
Burning low. Lots of mistletoe. Because we are couplepreneur, which is basically a word for couple entrepreneur. Have you ever heard that word?
I just learned it.
So about once a week we go on a date or we do something where we're spending quality time together aside from business. Like we try not to talk about business 24/7. I have never seen Cameron in the kitchen before, so this is a first for me. This is like rare footage. Babe, this is the first time I've seen you do anything in the kitchen.
I'm a beast, y'all just don't know. My favorite part about being in business with Erin is having the confidence, other than like the intimate portion of our relationship. It's more so it's giving me confidence that, hey, there's a woman who is down to do business and, you know, who's down for like, let's get nitty and gritty and like, let's get this money for one. But more importantly, how to run things just in life in general. Like, I don't know, it's kind of more so than she's not lovey-dovey all the time. She can get serious, she can do business, she can handle her own, she can handle ours. So she had to take it off.
You're right, you're right.
That's right, yeah. Let me teach her and do the bacon.
You're right. What you mean?
That's right, let me learn you something.
Wow. My favorite thing about doing business with Cameron is seeing him take leadership in a business sense. I think he's a great leader in our relationship. Following his lead in business has been great. I mean, of course, we both co-founded Black and Gold, but there are certain things that he's just better at than I am, and I have to follow his lead with that. And I think it's just so cool to see him in his element. He'll send me spreadsheets and like, you know, make me do inventory checks, and like he is really good at that, and being able to see that up close, and I just hear about things he's doing at work, or, you know, I don't know, it's different when you're actually in the business with him. So it's just watching you up close and being able to kind of follow your lead from your expertise.
Okay, that's a good little answer there.
See, look at me. Okay. We're done with batch number 1, which actually looks really good. And now we're making the hot chocolate ones.
Oh yeah.
He got the butter and chocolate chips in there. He's stirring like his life depends on it. What's it called?
And they call it Gardella.
Focus, the precision. Good job, babe. All right, I think that's good enough.
You said for a minute.
Oh. You probably timed it in your head.
I did.
Wow. Like, do you think there are certain like checkpoints that you should make sure of before you hop into a business with your significant other?
You should have an understanding of who you guys are, what you both are capable of, and how you operate together both in and out of business.
Right. In some senses, it can be a good thing, because if you do end up being married, you've started a business and you're kind of rolling in your business before you get married. And that's kind of the, I guess, the thought process that we had. Another thing that I paid attention to was that we hold each other accountable for pretty much everything else. So I felt like that would make us good business partners. And because you're so different, like our skills are different. Like we're not two like super creative people or two super technical people.
At all.
So I think that's another thing, is that finding that balance and making sure that, like, just aside from the relationship, that we are compatible in a business sense with our skills. My family, when I told them that we were doing the business together, they weren't upset, but they were like, are you sure, like, you want to go? They were like, are you positively, certainly sure? Because I mean, it is a risk when you're dating. Like, you don't know if, you know, you're gonna end up getting married, or you don't know if the business is gonna change the way that your relationship is. So it is a risk in that sense.
It's always going to be a what if in anything that you do. So I mean, it's either that you see it as a good idea, and if this person is fit for your business or what you need them to be in the business, then I say take the leap. You can't really live on life kind of going like, what if? Then you can sprinkle some around the top of the cookie.
Oh, you just a cookieologist now, huh?
I'm a beast.
Oh, okay. He's just a cookieologist now. They look so good and they smell so good.
Alright, bring some on top.
Oh, okay. See, you the perfectionist with all this.
Right, you just need.
Babe, what I'm supposed to do?
Go over the top of each one. See? You spilling stuff. You all up here.
Why don't you do it? Here, you do it.
No, you did. It's finished now.
Wow.
You knocked the chocolate chip. That's why you're gonna have to sweep this floor. I'm telling you.
Okay, let's try one. My thingies are all. Oh yeah, finished product. Alright, so here are our cookies. Got the chocolate chip in there. You got the peppermint in there. Are you ready to try one?
We are about to try these cookies.
They look so good. You want to share one? Ooh, they're nice and chewy. You making it sound crunchy. They look so good. You want to share one? I don't know about you, but mine is chewy.
It's good. It's chewy in the center.
Ooh, they're nice and chewy.
I think I ate a peppermint in the egg.
Oh.
We just made these cookies.
Mmm.
White chocolate.
They're doing good.
These are good.
Oh. These boys are crazy.
This was a great choice. This is a tradition you like to keep doing every year. We bake Christmas cookies.
This cookie?
I mean, we can, but like different Christmas cookies.
We can do this cookies, bro.
That's the only way I'm gonna get you in the kitchen.
That's right.
Well, we're gonna enjoy our cookies and enjoy the rest of, you know, today. Wow. You saying this for y'all? What I'm getting for Christmas? And on that note, let us know if you guys have any questions about our experiences being a couple and being in business together. And if you have any other topic ideas or any other date night ideas, because we are always looking for other ideas of fun things to do, just to like get closer as a couple, but also as business partners.
Yeah, we do something different every time.
Babe, we do, but I'm just saying, we can always, you know, it's never too many ideas.
Because I'm weak.
We will see you guys next time. Bye.
Be easy.
You want to turn the camera off?
Baby, on that side.
My hands are with I have cookies in my hand.
I have cookies in my hand.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal, and a Happy New Year.